Hi everyone, welcome to Captain Mark's Review. I've got a couple cool GoPro 8 cases to show you, so let's get to it. Okay, let's start with the MAXCAM. Cut that open. Out the bag, what's in here? Not just the manual. Pull it out. Let's get the bag out of the way here. Oh, we got a screwdriver. Nice, set that up. Oh, this is nice. What a cool pattern on this. This is aluminum. And it's heavy duty aluminum. It's so light. Very nice. Let's take the door off. That comes straight up. It's got a magnet on it. Nice. So the screwdriver is basically for the set screw up top, which you screw down if you need to. And it has foam on here that pushes down on the GoPro to keep it tighter if you need to. So I'll throw that out of the way. And let's see how it fits in the GoPro. Slides right in there, nice. Wow, I like that, how that clicks right into place. Very secure, very secure. Okay, a nice big display in the back. Nice big opening on the side. Let's see if we can get the door open and access all our stuff we need. The door always pops out on the GoPro 8s. That's always fun to have them do. Have to make sure we get it in place here. Put it back on. And so, yeah, you can get to your battery. You can get to the card. A lot of room. A lot of room. That's nice. That'll work out very well. Large opening in the top for your record button. Large opening on the side for your power button. It has a couple holes in here for the speakers. Your microphone port on the front is open, and then it has a cutout on the bottom for the other microphone. So it's nice. Big open display on that. Two hot shoes, one on the top and one on the side, so you can put an external mic and a light on there and put it in either combination you want. That's great. I like this. Cool colors. Well, we'll set this off to the side. Okay. And here's our second GoPro 8 case to open up. And this one has its own cloth to clean. Set that off to the side. Oh, the bag is open. This is a real simple one. It's plastic. It also has a hot shoe on the top, but not on the side on this one. This one's a real lightweight one. Okay, so it's basically just push the door to the slide. Sides open really easy. Very light. It's got a access hole again for the on-off button, a full view in the front, a large opening for the door, and for the mic hole right there on the bottom. Let's see how she fits. This product by Deyard. Let's see, so we'll make sure she fits in there good. A lot of room. Very tight. There it go, locks in. Nice and tight. See if it turns on. Easy to turn on. Very nice. Let's check out the door, see if we can access it. Oh yeah. Yep, and get to the card. Be able to pull the battery out. I like this. This is good. A hot shoe on top. Okay, you also have your record button on top. So very simple. So there's a couple options for you for your GoPro 8. You can get the MAXCAM aluminum camouflage with the double shoe, or you can get the Deyard black molded case with the single shoe on top. Either one will work in many situations. So hopefully this video will help you make decisions on which case to get for your GoPro 8. And if so, will you hit the subscribe button down below and the bell so you can see my future videos. Okay, this is Captain Mark saying thank you.